Good morning, friends. Vinay here from Faadoo Stocks, and wishing you all of you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So the reason I've created this video is people have been asking me questions like, so what is it that's so special about this webinar or the premium membership? So, friends, this membership is a way of sharing the knowledge and experience that I have acquired over the period of last 12 years. And I personally believe if you're good at something, never do it for free, because free things are seldom valued. People do not value your lessons. People do not value what you're offering them if it's offered for free. So it's a simple human psychology into play, wherein people do not enjoy the things which are made available to them freely. So that's the reason why I've kept a very nominal charge of like 4,000 rupees for a month usually. But during this Christmas period, I've given an offer wherein I'm extending this membership for 2 months. So, what do we cover? Friends, to be very frank with you, the majority of the people I've met with, say 500 to 1000 people that I've interacted with, the issue is not with the fundamental and technical analysis. Everyone is good at that. I would say 80 to 90% of the people are good at fundamentally analyzing the company and technical analysis of a stock, especially the people who have experience in the market. But the people who are new in the market, yes, fundamental and technical analysis is an aspect which you cannot deny, which you cannot ignore. So you need to have an idea about what fundamental analysis is, or what the fundamental you should look out for in a company while investing your hard-earned money in it. And technical analysis is an aspect wherein you're trying to predict the future prices based on the past performance, based on the history. And yes, as far as the stock markets are concerned, history does repeat itself, and the stocks normally, or the high frequency trading algorithms or the programs are written on such technical analysis, wherein at a particular pivot support or a particular crossover there is a trigger due to the buying from the machines, the programs which are written to execute the orders or sell a order. So yes, technical analysis comes into the picture, but the major problem is not the fundamental and technical analysis, it's the human psychology. So what we cover in the webinar is like, we cover the most common mistakes that are made by you guys or made by everyone. I also made some mistakes 3 years 4 years down the line. I made serious mistakes and I've learned from those mistakes, and today in a very better position in comparison to what I was 3 to 4 years back. So friends, so what we do is we train your mind. We If you've seen me, if you've seen the premium members, I continuously promote them, to have hold on, have patience, so you will get your returns. Hold patience. See, you should consider the fact that time is also a factor which plays a very important role in all your investments or all your trading activities which you do. So we cover the 7 common mistakes which are made by the traders, and we help them to embed it by adding you to a group, a chat group, which where we discuss the charts, where if you have any queries, I address them. Other senior members from the chat group address your queries. So it's like a mentorship program where we are together learning and exploring the things. So we cover the mistakes, we cover the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, what are the different types of softwares which you can use, what are derivatives, what are options, futures, how to trade them, how to make the maximum out of them. There are some strategies which you could have limited losses but unlimited profits. So there are many things. There are around if you say 2,60,000 option strategies possible. So out of them, which one will work out for you, which won't? So these are some small things, or what you can say, very simple things which we have accumulated together and sharing with everyone. So this is the webinar normally, and this is the agenda. So we classify you whether you're a trader or an investor depending upon the time which you can invest in the market. Then we head for the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, scalping basics. Scalping basics is like we execute a huge quantity in a very short span of time for a very small pick, like for a moment of 1 rupee, 3 rupee, 5 rupee, whatever be it. So the risk reward is ratio is maintained as 1:3. A very important factor, friends. 1:3 reward ratio is very important. So what 1:3 risk reward ratio means, the simply means that if you are out of 10 trades, if your 7 trades are unsuccessful, okay, even if your 7 trades are unsuccessful out of 10 and only 3 are successful, still you will take away around what you can say 30% of the capital which you had put at risk. So friends, that is the beauty of your risk reward ratio. So these are some simple things which we cover. So for an example, if I have placed a risk of say 3 rupees, the target I would be looking for is 9 rupees. So if you do the simple calculations, I went wrong 7 times, so 3 into 7 is 21 rupees I have lost. But if I could be successful in just 3 trades, so my reward was like 9 rupee, and 9 into 3 is 27 rupees. So I am at a net gain of 6 rupees, which is like more than 25 to 30% of the capital which I had invested. So these are simple things which we need to factor, and that is where we come into picture in helping you with that. What is capital management, how you can protect your capital, how you can make use of the softwares which are available to you. And then definitely I am approachable to all the premium members personally, also in the chat group also, where we clear the doubts. Besides that, we also have the option strategies which I was referring to. So this is just one of the option strategies wherein a long straddle which was planned. So you buy a call with some strike price, you buy a put with a strike price for a premium which is paid, and since it's a volatile market, you will lose 1875 rupees only if the price is not volatile. So if the stock price continues to remain at 10,350, you will end up losing 1875. That is a limited risk which we can take. But on the other hand, the way market worked right now, so it is like if the market to 10,450 or 10,475, the profit potential is like 7,500. So for a risk of around 2,000 rupees, you could bag a reward of 2.5, that is 7,500 rupees. So friends, these are some simple strategies which we are working on, we have planned, and which we share with our guys. Besides that, we also have some screeners wherein specifically we screen the stocks, and if you see, these are the stocks which are in action. These are the ones which are in action. You see any of these stocks which we have filtered out are the ones which are rocking in the market. And if you see their performance in the last 4-5 days, they might have hit an upper circuit or more than 10 to 20% in the last 5 to 6 days. So we have cracked this formula. We have created an amazing formula which you could scan. You can screen the stocks, and you could way before the world know that yes, these are the stocks which will be in action in the coming weeks. So this is one which we have created. Kansim, Ganesh, and some more tweaks I have added, and I have also added a filter wherein I can check for the company's capital is less than 10, because that is the place where multi-baggers are created, with the companies with capitals which are less than 10. So this is the formula which I was referring to recently, and it has given amazing results. Besides that, we also have scripts on TradingView, wherein if you see, buy and sell signals are generated. The green signal indicates a buy signal, so after the green signal, if you see the continuous uptrend, if this is the red signal, it goes down. So this is one of the scripts which we have created. So this is the code for it, and we share the same script with you guys so that you can learn from it. So friends, that's it from my end, and looking forward to see you in the premium channel, and learn and earn with you together. Thanks, that's it. Wishing you all once again a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Goodbye, have a great day.